I'm Jory from Utah, and we're going to be talking about how to install kitchen cabinets. First off, it's obvious that this is not my kitchen. This is not where we would install in a kitchen cabinet, but at the same time, the same principles apply. When installing in the kitchen, we need to make sure we find the studs. We know where the studs are at so we don't have holes all over our walls. We have to make sure we get our cabinet level. Once we have it partially screwed up, we can level that up and get to all of that. So I'm just going to demonstrate here. We're going to put this cabinet to the wall. I've already previously found my studs. I already know where they're at. So the easiest way is just to use a stud finder, or you can use a nail. You can also judge by where your outlets are. There's a lot of ways you can know to where your studs are at. Your studs should be 16 inches roughly apart. They should be 16 inches, but that's not always the case. So we're going to put this back up here. Switch my footing. Okay, we're going to make sure we put it into the stud in our previously marked spots. You can hear as the drill starts to tighten up, I definitely know I hit my stud there. One nail will hold your cabinet well enough, or one screw, but we should, at this point, definitely check our level and then go from there and also put some more screws in. So we're a little bit off level here. Okay, we're going to level it up this way. There we go. Also, one other thing I always like to check is a level front to back to make sure it's level this way. If it's off, if the level's off sometimes, we can pull this out and put a shim or something up the back to shim it out so our cabinet is level side to side, top to bottom, and front to back. So it actually looks like it's pretty good in all three directions there. So bump just a hair. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, and then just put in a couple more screws. In my previously marked spots. And that way, we make sure our cabinet is there. I'm Jory from Utah, and we've just talked about how to install kitchen cabinets.